Alright guys, what you're about to see is real life. This is a ball cap. Whoa, this is a cat. That's another cat though. Look at this. Look at that. Oh yeah, you want it. Oh yes, you do. Look at the eyes. Alright, here we go. Go get it. Oh, just wait for it. Wait for it. Does he give it back to me? I want to go again. Let's go again. Let's go. I'm not even shitting you. My cat plays fetch. I have no idea how she learned to do this, but she only does it with ball caps. Here it comes. Yeah, bring Daddy the cap. Yeah, no, you idiot. No. Usually she brings it all the way up to the, you know. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Peace.